Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, to Tuesday, October 23rd of 2018. Do have a couple of morning announcements for today. For October birthdays, so just to announce who we have for October, we have, drum roll please, we have Ava Hart, Tila Johnson, Jaden Martinez, and Allison Shadle. So happy birthday. So those are all birthdays that happened either over the weekend or up until today. Don't have any birthdays for October 23rd today though. But we do have some coming up in the next couple of days. For our lunch choices, we have macaroni and cheese, walking taco, or turkey and cheese wrap. And for our pause, we're still looking at bullying, and we have some students here from Mrs. Foltz's class.
Alright, we're still continuing our anti-bullying things for this month of October, and we have some 4th grade students here to talk about some things about what you should do to help out somebody who might be getting bullied. Those are all great suggestions, boys and girls. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much, boys and girls. And at this time, let's please take our moment of silence. All right, if we could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing and hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, thank you very much, boys and girls. All right, it's Tuesday, so let's have a great day today. Remember, you make the choices. You decide how to make the day great. So let's go out there and have a great day.